Hi guys, today we are preparing peas and carrots pan fried. So we've chopped up some onions and we've put in some cooking oil so that we can be able to prepare the pan fried vegetables. So put whatever amount of oil you want, then you put it up to heat so that you can brown some of these onions. Give it some time, so keep stirring in your pan so that you can be able to cook the onion a bit. So as you continue cooking the onions, just keep turning them and turning them so that they don't stick to the pan or they do not burn. So give it a few minutes, like 5 minutes, so that the onions are cooked. Don't overcook the onions, it won't be sweet. You still want that taste of onions in your French beans, in your peas, sorry. So keep stirring the desired level that you want them. So add some chopped carrots. There you are. And stir. Keep stirring into the onions. So once you're confident that you've stirred in the carrots, you can keep stirring. So this can take you like a minute or two. Make sure the carrots don't overcook. So there we are, looking yummy. Then we can add in the peas. Remember, my peas were already cooked. That's why we started with the raw carrots. So they were already boiled and frozen. So that's why we started with the peas. But if they were not cooked, then we would have started with the carrots. So mix in the frozen peas. Already it's looking yummy. So if you are a vegetarian, this is an amazing meal to eat with rice. If you're not a vegetarian, then you can add it as a vegetable to your meal. Guys, please subscribe. Leave your comments if you love the easy recipe. There we are, adding some salt. So you add the salt to the level you want to bring it to taste. So stir so gently. Already this meal is ready. So I've told you this is a very quick meal to prepare. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, support me, subscribe, like the video, and keep watching. Bye.